Hello everyone. Today I'm going to bring you something fun. So I'm excited to share with you a fun journey that I've had with my pup, and we are going to share a 5-minute meditation. So this is Minnie, if you haven't gotten a chance to meet her. We adopted her about 6 years ago and she's awesome. But she's also a wild child and she loves high energy and she loves playing. So as many dog trainers have taught us about and we've read about, our dog is all about our own energy. So today I'd like to share with you a 5-minute meditation that you can do with your dog. So as we get started, I would recommend putting your dog on a leash unless your dog will safely just sit next to you, especially if you're outside. And just kind of notice as you pet your dog where your dog starts to calm down. So maybe your dog prefers kind of the head scratch, the chest scratch, or just kind of like simple strokes on the spine, which they say stroking the spine can definitely calm the dog down. And then from there, I want you to notice kind of if your dog wants to sit, maybe your dog wants to lay, or whatever you can do to kind of start to calm your dog down. So as we take a deep breath in together, let's take a deep breath out together. Deep breath in together. Deep breath out together. So I'm going to go ahead and see if Minnie will turn towards me. Come this way. Good. I'm going to have her have a seat. Sit. And then just kind of start to relax. So as this happens, I'm just going to notice that we can both start to calm down. And we can notice a shift of energy. So you as the human, go ahead and close your eyes as you're petting your dog either in the chest, the head, or the back, wherever you feel the most comfortable, and see if your dog just possibly starts to lay down as well. So I'm going to close my eyes with you. Inhale as we take a deep breath in. Exhale as we take a deep breath out. Inhale as we take a deep breath in. Exhale as we take a deep breath out. So a lot of times in the morning I'm super busy and I'm rushing to walk her and I'm rushing to leave. But if I can sit down with her quietly, either before we exit the house or when we come back in, it can help both of us kind of calm down for our day. So I want you to take 5 more breaths, and you're still kind of just scratching your dog's head or maybe stroking their spine. Inhale as you breathe in, and exhale as you breathe out. Inhale as you breathe in, and then exhale as you breathe out. Just kind of open your eyes and notice your own energy and your dog's energy, and then possibly see if your dog wants to lay down. So I'll see if Minnie's ready to kind of rest. She's not there yet, but if your dog is there, that's okay. But notice too, her whole energy, her whole demeanor is calmed down, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the human and the dog to kind of connect and calm down and just start to relax. Good. So again, you can stay seated here or you can lay down, and I just want you to notice that kind of sitting with your dog on your mat and giving yourself this ability in this moment with your dog, but also with yourself. Being calm is really helpful. A lot of us tend to try to do yoga practice and then our dog is winding through our bodies the whole time when we're at home, but this way we've just started to relax. So let's go ahead and see if she wants to lay down now. Can you lay down? Good. No, not yet. All right. So let's just close our eyes for 1 more minute together. So hopefully human and dog have started to relax. So as the eyes close, inhale a deep breath in. Let's count for 3, 2, and then you're slowly just gonna hold your breath for 4, 3, 2. Inhale, and then exhale it out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale in for 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold your breath. Try to close the lips for 3, 2. And then exhale out even longer for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more round. Inhale in for 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold the breath. See if you can swallow when you hold the breath. Just notice your inhales and your exhales, and then exhale out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. As you open your eyes, Minnie is kind of holding my arm with her paw, if you can notice. She didn't want to stay still the whole time, but she also has a distracting toy box next to her, so maybe I'll place my mat somewhere different in the future. But just kind of notice if you have a moment to calm down. So if you're not really into meditation, then maybe this is just a fun way for you to meditate. Maybe this is just a way for you to hang out with your dog 5 minutes before work or in the middle of your day and just connect differently with your four-legged friend. So maybe this works for you. Maybe it's just a fun opportunity to hang out with your pup. But if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I'm definitely not a dog expert, but I'm a yogi who likes to do some yoga with her dog. So thank you, guys.
You're all business. Like, that review video.
Relax.